Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so pleased that you're spending some time with me today. If this is your first time, welcome, hello. I hope that you will stay. Please turn that red subscribe black and join me again. I do videos all about women's clothing and accessories, so if you enjoy that, I think you're gonna like it here. Now, today is a special day. It's a Bolzano handbag day. I'm real excited to get into this bag. I was out the door and the mailman delivered it and I thought, I have to open this. It's time for me to change my purse. Guys, I'm not the girl that changes my purse with every outfit. I'm not. I prefer to have a neutral bag that I can wear most of the time without thinking about changing it. But I do like to change my handbag up every other month or so. The owner of Bolzano Handbags reached out to me several months ago and asked if she could send me a bag in exchange for my honest review. So that's what's happening here. I get a bag and you guys get an honest review of what I think of Bolzano handbags. Let me tell you something. I have been impressed. I have reviewed this product in the past and I will link all those videos at the end of this video so that you can see what I have received from Bolzano handbags. I really am impressed and have been using the bags that they sent, especially the little fanny pack that I got at Christmas. That one is absolutely phenomenal for shopping, and I do shop a little. What makes Bolzano handbag subscriptions very unique is you're going to fill out a style profile and you'll let the stylist at Bolzano know what types of bags you prefer to carry. So I'll tell you what I told them. I'm 5'7", I weigh 150 pounds. I'm a tall girl and I don't want little bitty bags. Proportionately, they look terrible on me. I don't mind carrying a clutch, and I do when I dress up for a night on the town, but it's not a bag that I normally carry. So I would really like to receive functional bags. That's pretty much what I told them, but there's a variety of styles and shapes, and you can just go through and click, yes, I would like to try that. I would like to try that. I would like to try that. That's what I did. And I'm really open to trying new things, so I did click on a lot of those. Okay. The very best thing about the Bolzano handbag subscription is the price. If you order the subscription with just the purse, it's $28 and some change, but you can also add in accessories, and that's $33 and change. $33 for a handbag. I don't know where you can find a $33 handbag, and these handbags are nice. They're crafted from high quality fabrics and materials. Sometimes they are leather. The hardware is durable and solid, and the design is absolutely beautiful. So far, I've been impressed. The handbag came in a mailer bag, so I just took it out of that, and then we have this nice little dust bag, which I really appreciate, and we have some padded stuff here. Let me take a look at that. Oh, wow, look it. I really need one of these. This is a pop socket for your phone to help you to stand your phone up when you're watching YouTube as you're getting ready in the morning and you're watching the Kelly Shaffner channel. Everybody needs one of these. Thank you so much, Bolzano. I love the packaging of Bolzano handbags. This is something that you don't get when you're buying a discount handbag at a discount store. So there's that pop socket I was telling you about, and it's a Happy New Year gift, a free gift. That's very nice. The flyer that was attached to my bag explains the purse companions. This is a new service that Bolzano Handbags is offering, and for a mere $8 a month, you can get 2 to 3 fragrance and cosmetic items, name brand, added to your subscription, free shipping, and that's only $8 a month. I suppose this is a picture of things that might be included. Also, if you sign up now, you get a free $34 valued Moroccan oil to get these purse companions. That sounds like something I really want to do. It's time for the good stuff. Okay, I like it already. I peeked and it is red. Oh my goodness. What do we have here? Wow, guys, this looks wonderful. This looks really nice. Okay, I have to open this up a little bit. It's a little smashed from the shipping. Okay, would you look at this? This is absolutely beautiful. You guys, I can't get over the smell of brand new leather. You know that smell? That is what I am indulging in right now, and I love this burgundy color. It's almost red, burgundy color bag. Oh my gosh. So this bag got a little wrinkled up during shipping. That's okay. All I do for that is just put some towels in my handbag, and then I will actually let it hang in the closet so that this leather can kind of smooth out. I'm loving this. You guys look, right here we have pockets, and you know what? Look at that. That is pretty much a necessity for me. A pocket on the outside where I can place my cell phone. To the lock. We have those pockets on both sides of the bag, but let me show you something. Can you see? This is a locking pocket, which is really cool. And we have keys for that. Every Bolzano handbag I have received has keys. Now I'm really curious to know if one key will unlock all of my Bolzano handbags. You know I'm gonna give that one a try, but aren't these fabulous? So we have this leather, this red leather here, and then we have the croc detail there. Look at the hardware, and look how unusual the hardware is. We have the one gold ring here, and yet we have 3 here with the Bolzano logo on that, and the same is true on the other side, exactly the same. And yet we have the leather straps, and this is the perfect height for me. This is how I like to carry my handbags. Let's see the bottom. Oh, the bottom's pretty cool too. So we have some little gold feet and the croc detailing on the bottom. This is what the bottom looks like. Here you can see the inside of the bag. Look at the fabric. Isn't it beautiful? I love it because I am crazy about red, and I love this red silky lining on it. We do have 2 compartments and a zipper compartment going down the center. We have gold hardware again, a gold zipper, and the Bolzano pull there on the zipper. So in the very center, we have a really large pocket in the center. That was what was zipped up. So on one side of the bag, we have 2 card compartments, and right here, where is it? Right here. Yeah, there's a place to insert your pens. I love that. Do you ever lose your pens inside your purse? I really like a bag that has a dedicated place for that. The other side has a great big zippered pocket on it, again with that really pretty Versace-esque lining on it. Guys, this one is outstanding. Out of the ballpark when picking a bag for Kelly Shaffner. This is perfect. I really find this service to be very, very personalized. This is the extras that they send. So this is the bracelet. Can you see the bling on it? That is really nice. Just a gold cuff. Very simple, yet very pretty. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that doesn't look bad on the outside of my sweater, but let's see what it looks like just with my arm. It is adjustable. Oh, look, can you see it has gemstones on the inside? Really cool. Okay, that is beautiful. There's one more accessory. Isn't it cool? It's the same color as the bag. Let's see what it is. Oh, this is excellent. This is a little card holder, and there is a clip on it, so you can clip it into your purse, or you could clip it onto your body if this is all you wanted to carry. There is also a little zip compartment in here, so you could use this just to place a $20 bill or something like that, put all your credit cards, slip this into your back pocket, and you can go out a whole day shopping. I love it. It matches my bag. This one is fabulous. You will be seeing me reviewing more Bolzano handbags because I am that satisfied with this product. A really nice product. I hope that you will take a look at Bolzano handbags and see if it's right for you. I'd like to thank Bolzano handbags for the opportunity to review this product and also for a really nice gift of a purse. I haven't given any of these away, guys, because I like them for myself. All of the details about the bag I received will be in the description box below. I'm so happy with the pieces that I received from Bolzano Handbags. I have never been disappointed with the pieces. The jewelry that they send is really nice quality. Nothing has turned on me, and it's all very fun to wear with a little sophisticated flair to it. I really like that, just like their handbags, high quality and sophistication that fit into my humble budget. It really works for me. Please let me know if you have tried Bolzano Handbags, and I hope that you will consider visiting the website if you haven't tried them yet. It's really a pretty phenomenal service. Thank you all for joining me for another video. Could I get you to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video? If you haven't seen my past Bolzano handbag reviews, make sure you check those out as well. I will have another video for you in just a couple days. Thumbs up for this one always warms my heart. Thank you all for watching. Blessings to you.